Number 1 has to be Google Bard. Google Bard is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and now it is available for everyone to use. Number 1, Bard has access to the internet. So you can ask Bard for the latest information and it will give you up-to-date answer. Like see here, if I ask ChatGPT, which is the best smartphone camera in 2023? See the answer? It says my information cutoff date is 2021. And now I'll do the same with Google Bard and see, it says the best smartphone camera is the S23 Ultra. Google preferring Samsung over the Pixel. Wow. Number 2, since Bard has access to the internet, you can provide Bard with an article link and ask it to summarize the entire article in simple words. It does it with ease. And this will save so much time. And also whenever Bard gives an answer, you can directly import your answer to Google Docs or just draft it in Gmail. And many more features like asking Bard to generate images or providing Bard an image and asking it to generate an Instagram caption. All of this is coming later this year. So the AI war is on.